The pandemic, man has called on his best friend, the dog, to essentially save lives. Dogs who are fast and efficient may be the new normal to sniff out anyone with coronavirus. Dr. Masi Korir explains how the canines might be coming to man's rescue.
If traveling through an airport and you find health officials fully donned in hazmat suits, giving you a mask to temporarily wear for a few minutes, or some nylon socks, or even a swab to quickly place under your armpit for a sweat sample, worry not. Dog, man's best and loyal friend, might be the animal that will help humanity slay the disruptions brought about by the coronavirus pandemic.
It is going to be almost impossible for individual countries to keep their borders shut for the foreseeable future. Economies have to open up, people have to work, trade has to resume.
These Chilean sniffer dogs undergoing training are a nose to the new normal. They're being taught how to sniff out people who have the coronavirus. Since dogs are already being used to detect some diseases like prostate cancer and Parkinson's disease, scientists and researchers are extending the same assumption to Covid-19 as an innovative way to help man deal with the pandemic efficiently. These Chilean detectives plan to have their dogs in busy places such as schools, bus terminals and airports to detect people at an early stage of the disease, to be able to isolate them and perform the appropriate PCR tests, therefore avoiding mass contamination. The new normal for frequent flyers might be sniffer dogs and their guides, not for contraband goods, but for ensuring safety aboard that flight. Dr. Masi Korir, KT News.
It will be interesting to see how that pans out and whether it will be replicated in other nations. Now, the Kenya National Union of Nurses has decried the non-payment of salaries by some counties spanning 3 months now. Earlier in Nairobi, the Kenya National Union of Nurses Secretary General